Good morning! It's 5 a.m. in the morning, so no work for today. Day off ko, but first thing first, it's cuddle morning. Muna tayo sa umaga before magawa ng mga gawing bahay. So, share a morning hug and cuddles and sneak in a playful affections of kisses and gentle touches. So anyways, today's video guys, I let my husband do the household chores due to I have a severe foot injury. So maglisod ko sa paglakaw, though he makes those mangyod bisag dili paingnon kay I have a responsible husband. And it's a weekend, I know, so no class today's video, so it means more screen time. Una ko mamata sa iyaha, pero mo'y unang mubangon para mag-prepare sa breakfast and kids for school since still waiting to go to work soon. So anyways guys, this video is a little bit late upload na. It's because I'm still busy because I am currently now working, a stay-at-home mom again. So this time I will show you noon sa ako TL that time, but I'll cover lang basin lainan mo. So gamay ra ni siya, but to make the story and video shorter, na infection siya kay sigihan og shoes at work. And if someone is asking, did I do checkups on it? Yes. And here I am, literal na baldado pag nandyan ang asawa ko. O, diba? Kita sa tambak ng labahan namin. But anyways guys, before tayo magsimula ng ating araw is magluluto muna tayo ng breakfast. And syempre, luto ng aking asawa na very private in social media, but here I am posting him like a influencer. Ako lang ba dito yung may asawa na ayaw humarap sa camera or humaharap sa camera pero ayaw namang ipa-upload yung mukha niya sa social media? So, sorry ka na lang, Han, because your wife is a content creator wannabe. So, tatawagan na lang natin content creator wannabe tayo dito. So, eto, pinaglaba ko yung asawa ko ng blanket and bed sheet. It's because medyo nangangati na nga yung mga gamit natin. And actually, madali lang naman tong labhan because yung washing machine natin is naka-dryer na. So, no need pa ng kuskus at piga. Pagkatapos mo na lang iset yung timer. Pagkatapos, kukunin mo sa washing machine and then ihalay mo na lang sa Bisaya. So, anong tawag sa Tagalog nung ihalay or ihayhay na lang? I don't know, anong tawag ninyo dyan sa Tagalog? So, I believe, as you can see on my description sa aking channel, is we will be doing some Tagalog and Bisaya and a little bit of English kasi nakasanayan na natin dito sa channel ko. So, if you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. So if you are old subscriber, so matagal ka na dito sa channel ko, thank you so much for being here and thank you. I hope we will hear you soon again here sa channel ko. So eto na yung husband ko. So nakabantay ako sa laundry area kasi nagtatawanan, nagkukuntuhan at nagkukulitan kami dyan. But anyways, eto na, it's afternoon. So, nagluluto ako ng snacks namin para naman may lakas kami to continue the laundry. So, I know it's not healthy guys na french fries yung niluluto ko, but this is a kid's favorite and also my husband's favorite. So, ayan. So, I don't have a cheese powder na flavor. So, I pinch of Himalayan salt lang dito to have a anong tawag dyan? Pampalasa. And, nandito na kami sa part na sinasampay again. Okay, sa Tagalog pala ng hi-hi is nagsasampay. Okay, I got it na. So, nagsasampay na yung husband ko dito, guys. And this is it. Dito na ko na lang tinatapos yung vlog namin kasi medyo humahaba na din to. Mga 6 minutes video. And please don't forget to share and subscribe if you like my video, and I will hear you soon out. Bye.